Have you ever stared at a maze of bank accounts and international transactions, feeling completely lost? You're not alone. In today's globalized world, managing finances across borders can be a real headache, especially when it comes to services like airwallex. Airwallex promises a smooth and efficient way to handle international payments. But what happens when you need to move that money around? Transferring funds from airwallex can feel like navigating a financial labyrinth. Fear not, intrepid traveler, because this video is your guide. Understanding airwallex, a gateway to global finance. Before diving into transfers, let's take a quick step back. Airwallex acts as a central hub for your international finances. It simplifies sending and receiving money across borders, offering features like virtual accounts and international payments. Think of it as a translator for your hard-earned cash, allowing you to exchange currencies and pay in different countries seamlessly. But just like any good travel hub, there might be fees involved depending on where you're transferring your money. The Transfer Tango, exploring your options. Now, onto the main event, transferring funds out of airwallex. There are a few different ways to do this, each with its own pros and cons. Local bank transfer. This is a familiar option for most people. You can transfer funds directly to your local bank account. However, local bank transfers can take a few business days and may incur fees from both airwallex and your bank. International transfer. Need to send money to another country? Airwallex offers international transfers, but be prepared for potentially higher fees and longer processing times compared to local transfers. Global wallets. If you use other digital wallets like PayPal or Payoneer, you might be able to transfer funds directly to them from airwallex. This option can be convenient, but again, fees may apply. The fee factor, unveiling the costs. Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to airwallex transfer fees. The exact cost depends on several factors. Transfer method. As mentioned earlier, local transfers typically have lower fees than international ones. Transfer amount. Larger transfers often come with lower per-transaction fees. Currency exchange. Converting currencies can involve exchange rate margins set by airwallex. Destination country. Fees can vary depending on the country you're transferring money to. Navigating the maze. Tips for smoother transfers. Here are some handy tips to minimize fees and streamline your airwallex experience. Plan your transfers. Bundle smaller transfers into larger ones to benefit from lower per-transaction fees. Compare rates. Before hitting send, check the exchange rate and see if it's competitive. Consider using a currency exchange comparison website for this. Explore alternatives. Depending on your needs, other international payment services might offer more competitive rates for specific transfers. Remember, always double-check all fees associated with your transfer before hitting confirm. A little planning can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy and fee-conscious transferring.